Hello everyone, Naushad here. In this tutorial, we'll see how to use an animated splash screen within a Xamarin Forms application. The end product should look like this. So it animates a Lottie animation file and then gets to the main page of the application. So let's see how we could achieve that. From our application, right click, manage NuGet packages, and then we need to add this NuGet called com.airbnb.xamarin.forms.lottie in all our projects. The next thing, we need to get this animation file as JSON format. So where do we get that? We get these files from lottiefiles.com, and then the one I've used is this one. So if you type Xamarin, hit enter, you get to this animation, and then you could customize the animation such as background color, animation speed, and once you're happy with that, click on download and export that as Lottie JSON file. Once you do that, inside assets folder, right click, add existing file, and here you select the JSON file, open, copy, and you click OK. Inside this layout folder, add a new layout called activity_splash.xaml by right clicking, add new file, select layout and give it the name activity_splash.xaml, and inside this activity_xaml file we define a relative layout, and inside the relative layout we define the Lottie animation view, and here we define the name of the animation, and also we set the Lottie_autoplay equals to true. Once we do that, we've got to define inside the values style.xaml this theme.splash, where we set the window no title to true, window action bar equals to false, and window full screen true, window content overlay null, and the background color is coming from this colors.xaml file here. And inside main activity.cs, we have to define this main launcher equals to false. And finally, we need to add one more activity class by right clicking, add new file activity, and give it a name splash activity. And let's now look at the splash activity.cs file. Let's bring in all these namespaces. Here we define the theme.splash, which we defined in our style.xaml file, and then we set the main launcher equals to true, no history equals to true. This splash activity class derives from the activity and animator.iAnimatorListener class. So here inside the onCreate method, we set the content to the activity_splash layout. And for the animation, we define the animation by var animation view equals to find view by ID, passing this animation view. And finally, we call animation view dot add animator listener, passing this context. And finally, we need to get to the main activity class once the animation is done. So we call this start activity that takes a new intent, passing the application.context and the name of the activity you want to go to. So this is it to display an animated splash screen within a Xamarin Forms Android application. So if we run the code now, we should get our desired output. So that was it for this tutorial. If you have liked it, make sure like, share and subscribe. And I should see you on my next tutorial. Thank you.